Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a faulty motherboard, which is a critical component that controls all functions of your laptop. If left unrepaired, it could lead to further damage or data loss, making it essential to address the problem promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement motherboard specific to the Lenovo Yoga model. To begin, ensure your laptop is powered off completely and unplugged from any power source. Carefully place it on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the back panel and carefully pry it open. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold it in place. With the back panel removed, locate the motherboard. It's usually situated centrally and connected to various components. Remove any cables connected to the motherboard, taking care to note their positions for reassembly. You may encounter several screws holding the motherboard in place. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Remember to apply gentle pressure and avoid using excessive force to prevent damaging the motherboard or nearby components. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motherboard out of its compartment. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement motherboard and carefully position it into the compartment, ensuring all connectors align properly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, and reconnect all the cables, ensuring they are firmly in place. After everything is secured, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws to finish securing the back panel. Before you power on your device, double-check that all connections are secure and nothing is out of place. To avoid this issue in the future, make sure to keep your laptop clean and free of dust, regularly check for software updates, and handle it with care to prevent physical damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.